मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन।
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन।
Affectionately called as Netaji, was one of the most prominent leaders of the Indian freedom struggle. He founded the Indian National Army, Azad Hind Fauj, to overthrow British Empire and came to acquire legendary status. In 1942, Bose earned the title Netaji in Germany by the Indian soldiers of the Azad Hind Fauj. Bose is credited with a very famous slogan, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom," as well as Jai Hind. Subhash Chandra Bose is also credited to be the first man to call Mahatma Gandhi father of the nation in his address from Singapore.
Subhash Chandra Bose was born on January 23rd, 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa. His father Janaki Nath Bose was a famous lawyer and his mother Prabhavati Devi was a pious and religious lady. Subhash Chandra Bose was the ninth child among 14 siblings. Subhash Chandra Bose was a brilliant student right from the childhood. He topped the matriculation examination of Calcutta province and graduated with a first class in philosophy from the Scottish Churches College in Calcutta. He was strongly influenced by Swami Vivekananda's teachings and was known for his patriotic zeal as a student. To fulfill his parents' wishes, he went to England in 1919 to compete for Indian Civil Services. In England, he appeared for the Indian Civil Service competitive examination in 1920 and came out fourth in order of merit. However, Subhash Chandra Bose was deeply disturbed by the Jallianwala Bagh massacre and left his civil services apprenticeship midway to return to India in 1921.
After returning India, Subhash Chandra Bose came into the influence of Mahatma Gandhi and joined in the Indian Congress. On Mahatma Gandhi's instruction, he started working under Deshbandhu Chitrang Das, who was later on acknowledged as his political guru. Soon he showed his leadership and gained in the way up in the Congress committee. In 1928, Motilal Nehru committee appointed by the Congress declared in the favor of the domination status. Subhash Chandra Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru opposed it. Both of them asserted that they would be satisfied nothing short but complete independence of India. Thank you.
Subhash Chandra Bose was re-elected and by defeating Dr. Pattavi Sitaramaiah, who was backed by Mahatma Gandhi and the other Congress committee. As the clouds of the World War II were on the horizon, Subhash Chandra Bose gave a resolution to the British. Within 6 months, India should be given back to the Indians, or it will be followed by a revolt. There was much opposition to his rigid stand, so he resigned his post of president and he formed his own group named as the Forward Bloc. Lastly, I would like to conclude by saying a few slogans of Subhash Chandra Bose. Freedom is not given, freedom is taken. And if you give me blood, I'll give you freedom. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Bose was put under house arrest for starting a mass movement against utilizing Indian resources and men for the Great War. In January 1941, Subhash Chandra Bose disappeared from his home in Calcutta and reached Germany via Afghanistan. He sought cooperation of Germany and Japan against British Empire. In January 1942, he began his regular broadcast from Radio Berlin. In July 1943, he arrived in Singapore, where he took over the reins of the Indian National Independence Movement and organized the Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National Army. He was hailed as Netaji by the army as well as the Indian civilian population in East Asia. Azad Hind Fauj proceeded towards India to liberate it from British rule. They crossed the Burma border and stood on Indian soil on March 18, 1944. However, INA had to retreat and it could not achieve its objective. Subhash Chandra Bose was reported killed in an air crash over Taipei, Taiwan, Formosa on August 18, 1945.
फिर भी तू न डर, उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर, जो वतन बढ़ाए। तू शेर हिंद आगे बढ़, मरने से फिर भी तू न डर, उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर, जो वतन बढ़ाए। जब कदम कदम बढ़ाए, जब खुशी के गीत गाए, जब ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तो कौम पे।
Hi everyone, my name is Angelina David Chinappa. We have moments that we want to remain forever, and for you to experience what we learn at Little Flower High School. The talents which are showcased, the thoughtful ideas that we bring, and the treasure memories are now for all to see and cherish, bringing to you our own YouTube channel, Little Flower High School, www.youtube.com. Now you can watch at anywhere and at any time, but do not forget to like, share and subscribe.